Optimus again to Oboy Toys, and this is the Optimus Prime Elite edition by Robosen. This is smaller than the flagship by a few inches, but upon doing my research, they're basically the same, and this was like 50% off, like very cheap, cheaper than what I was expecting it to be. Someone was selling this, it was unopened, basically really brand new, so I just have to pull the trigger. And so like I said, this is the Robosen Optimus Prime. There's not much space downstairs in the basement to actually open this, so I'm gonna open this here in the dining area. So inside there's this sturdy case, and it has the Transformers Autobots logo. This is styro, but really nice styro, sturdy one. And there's a lock here. There's actually a handle here as well. So inside there's a manual. I won't even bother reading the manual. Here's a charger. You can connect it with the app. I still haven't downloaded the Robosen app, but the robot itself would work even without the app on. And it comes with this case here, where the gun and the axe is in. Here he is, Optimus Prime. You can really hear the joints or the mechanism move even with just slight movement. It makes that wearing sound. The power button is up here. The wheels are really good, really thick rubber on it. Yeah, there's no damage. Like the owner said, it was really brand new. He never even opened it. So the power button's here. Press it for a while.
Greetings. I am Optimus Prime.
I hope you can hear that. It says, "Greetings, I am Optimus Prime." Let's do it like this as well. Let's turn it off.
Autobots never give up.
Trying to figure out where the speaker is.
Greetings, friend. I am Optimus Prime.
So the speaker is right behind the power button. This is the speaker area. So the rear light, the tail light is on, but this would be the back of the foot, and this one also turns on. So to wake him up, all you need to do is say, "Hey, Optimus Prime,
Greetings.
transform." But of course, he would transform facing me. So we'll do it again the other way. Optimus, transform. Oh, it's "Hey Optimus Prime." "Hey Optimus Prime,
Greetings.
transform." I said, let's do it the other way. So Optimus will be facing you. Hey, Optimus Prime,
Greetings.
transform. So if you let him rest for a bit, he would actually be making slight movements to. He's not really like stagnant or he won't stay still. He's about 16 inches tall, I believe, or maybe 14 inches tall. See, he's starting to move. Like I said, he won't stay still. Let's try. Hey, Optimus Prime,
Greetings.
fight. No, that's not one of the commands. Maybe Megatron. Hey, Optimus Prime. Yeah. There we go. So, like I said, he comes with the gun. We can put the gun on him. Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
There's Megatron. I don't know any other commands yet, aside from that. This is actually really amazing. It's worth the wait. I waited for a long time, placed my alert on Marketplace, and then last night, someone was selling it, brand new. Now let's ask him to transform. He would stop when there's if he starts rolling as a truck, he would stop whenever there's something in front of him, so he won't bump into it. There we go. The axe would be the same thing. All you need to do is open and then make him hold it. I won't even bother. Okay, let's try again. Hey, Optimus. Hey, Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Transform. Like I said, he would stop rolling when there's something in front of him. Hey, Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Roll out. He bumped into it, but he actually did stop because this is quite light. Hey, Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Roll back. Oh. I don't know any commands to roll him backwards. Anyway, this is really amazing.
There's a thin line between being a
The back is quite thin, or if you look at him from the side, he's skinny. But overall, he balances well. Really amazing engineering. And I don't know what to say. The eyes light up. Of course, you can't move him. You can pose him, probably, but I don't want to damage it. It's just amazing to look at. Probably display it like this. Anyway, there's Optimus Prime. Optimus Prime. Hey, Optimus Prime.
greetings.
Transform. I can't get that off of it. Just amazing. Just amazing technology. There's a Optimus Autobot symbol there. Aside from that, there's no other Optimus or Autobot symbol. I'm just too excited. Anyway, that's Optimus Prime by Robosen. This is the Elite Edition, smaller than the flagship. Really amazing. I hope someday I can afford Megatron. And for now, this is it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe if you like the video, and feel free to watch my other videos. Thank you.